Welcome to Roadside Garages. At Roadside Garages we make looking after your car as stress-free and simple as possible by offering our service plan package, which is available to any customer no matter what you drive. I'm Ryan and I'm part of the team here who can help you set up your service plan package, which is excellent value for money and can be done in a few simple steps.
Our service team is here to make things as convenient as possible for yourself. Also, our experienced team of technicians only use the best tools, servicing materials and diagnostics. In other words, you're in safe hands.
With our service plans you get the chance to spread out your servicing costs, which will help your budget and avoid any surprise service bills. Imagine coming in to collect your car and receiving your keys instead of an invoice. How nice would that feel? Also, our plans are inflation proof, so you only pay whatever your service costs are on the day you set up your service plan, meaning you'll avoid any price hikes and save money. Simply the agreed monthly costs.
I'm Dominic, I'm the Master Technician here at Roadside. Roadside service plans are customised for your vehicle, whatever make or model. With the plan you will receive 3 services, free MOT check, free puncture repairs, free seasonal checks, free body shop estimate, free courtesy car and a free vehicle health check and report. This is a fantastic opportunity to become part of the Roadside service plan family and enjoy stress-free driving.